Have you ever noticed what we do with umbrellas? The moment it rains, we carry them everywhere, holding them tightly as if they are our shield. But the moment we reach home, safe and dry, we leave that umbrella outside the door, forgotten. Life is not so different. Some people stay close only when they need you. They seek your shelter in the storms of their life. But once their skies are clear, they walk away, leaving you behind like that umbrella at the door. This is one of the hardest truths of life. Not everyone who walks with you walks for you. Some are seasonal, some are situational, and only a very few are truly loyal. And yet we often make the mistake of valuing the wrong people, those who come and go, while ignoring the ones who quietly stay beside us during our darkest nights. Think about your own life. How many times have you stood by someone only to be abandoned when you needed them most? How many times have you given your heart, your time, your trust, and been left alone when the storm arrived? It hurts because deep down, all of us crave loyalty. We don't just need people when life is bright. We need them when it's dark, heavy, and uncertain. Once a disciple came to Gautam Buddha, deeply hurt. He said, "Lord, I gave everything to my friends, but when I was in pain, they left me. Why is the world so unkind?" Buddha listened quietly, then replied with a story. There was once a man who owned a lamp. At night, many people gathered around him, praising the beauty of the light. They laughed, celebrated, and enjoyed the warmth. But when morning came and the sun rose, everyone left him. The lamp was no longer needed, and it was left in the corner, forgotten. Buddha looked into the disciples' eyes and said, "Do not be sad when people leave. They were drawn to your light only when it served them. Instead, honor the rare souls who choose to stay even when your lamp burns dim, because they are not there for the light. They are there for you." This is the wisdom we forget. Not everyone who walks with you is meant to stay. Some people are lessons, not lifetimes. They come to show you who not to trust, what not to give, and how strong you can be alone. But the ones who remain, the ones who sit with you in silence when you are broken, the ones who don't run when life gets heavy, those are the people you must never forget, because loyalty is not built in sunshine, it is proven in storms. So instead of being bitter about those who left, start being grateful for those who stayed. Cherish them, honor them, and protect that bond with all your heart. Because when life gets difficult again, and it always does, you will realize that one loyal friend is worth more than 100 seasonal companions. Just as Buddha said, an insincere friend is more dangerous than a wild beast. A beast may wound your body, but an insincere friend will wound your soul. Life will always test your relationships. It will show you who is real and who was only there for convenience. And just like that umbrella, some people will protect you in the rain, but will never follow you inside your home. But the truth is, you don't need everyone. You just need the few who truly care. So if you have even one person who stood by you in your darkest hour, hold on to them, respect them, and give them back the same loyalty. Because that is where real happiness is found. Not in the crowd that claps for you, but in the one who holds your hand when no one else does. So tonight, think of that one person who never left your side. Send them a message, call them, or simply whisper a prayer of gratitude. Because loyalty is rare, and if you have it, you are richer than you think. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs this reminder today. And subscribe for more stories that awaken the soul.